If your Google Chrome screen suddenly shifts to the right or left while browsing, don't worry. This is a common issue that many users experience because of zoom settings, browser extensions, display scaling problems, hardware acceleration issues, or corrupted browser settings. Sometimes web pages appear pushed sideways, the browser window looks off-center, or content moves partially out of view. The good news is that this issue can usually be fixed within just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to fix the Google Chrome screen shifting problem in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and check whether the issue happens on every website or only on specific pages. Sometimes a poorly designed website can cause content alignment issues that are not actually related to Chrome itself. Open a few different websites and see if the screen shift appears everywhere. Now, let's start with the easiest fix. Reset Chrome zoom settings back to normal. Press Ctrl and 0 together on Windows or Command and 0 on Mac. This instantly resets the browser zoom level to the default setting. Incorrect zoom levels are one of the most common reasons web pages appear shifted or misaligned. If the problem continues, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and open Settings. In the Appearance section, check the page zoom setting and make sure it is set to 100%. Also make sure the browser window is maximized properly. Another common cause is browser extensions. Certain ad blockers, dark mode tools, page customizers, or accessibility extensions can modify website layouts and cause the screen to shift sideways. Type chrome://extensions into the address bar and press Enter. Disable all extensions temporarily, especially any extension related to themes, page styling, or screen adjustments. After disabling the extensions, restart Chrome and test different websites again. If the problem disappears, then one of the extensions was causing the issue. You can re-enable them one by one to identify the exact extension responsible. You should also check your display scaling settings. On Windows, right-click the desktop and select Display Settings. Under Scale, make sure the recommended scaling percentage is selected. Incorrect scaling values can sometimes cause Chrome layout problems, especially on high-resolution monitors. Another useful step is updating Google Chrome to the latest version. Click the three dots, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Restart the browser after the update finishes. If web pages still appear shifted, try clearing Chrome cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can occasionally break web page layouts. Open Chrome Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then click Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Cached Files, choose All Time, and click Clear Data. You can also reset Chrome settings completely if nothing else works. Search for Reset inside Chrome settings and click Restore settings to their original defaults. This resets browser settings and disables extensions without deleting bookmarks or saved passwords. So that's the easiest way to fix the Google Chrome screen shifting to the right or left in 2026. The main solutions are resetting zoom settings, disabling problematic extensions, turning off hardware acceleration, checking display scaling, clearing cache files, and updating Chrome if necessary. Most users can solve the issue quickly using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.